A very good morning, children. Welcome to Hindi online class. Let's continue with the fair work, children. So open your fair note. Children, today we are going to see the question answers. So second Roman प्रश्नोत्तर. First question, झरने किस प्रकार बहते हैं? I'll repeat the question. झरने किस प्रकार बहते हैं? So the meaning of this question is झरने. झरने means falls. How does the falls flow? बहते means flowing down. So how does the झरने is flowing down or the falls flowing down? Yes. झरने झरझर बहते हैं. So झरने झरझर बहते हैं. Okay, this is the sound of the falls. Understood? Second question, सूरज प्रतिदिन क्या लेकर आता है? I'll repeat. सूरज प्रतिदिन क्या लेकर आता है? So प्रतिदिन means every day. सूरज means sun. So every day what does the sun brings? Yes, the brightness. So सूरज प्रतिदिन उजाला लेकर आता है. सो सूरज प्रतिदिन उजाला लेकर आता है. एवरी डे सन ब्रिंग्स अस उजाला, दैट मीन्स ब्राइटनेस. अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट, सुगंध कौन फैलाता है? सुगंध कौन फैलाता है? सो सुगंध मीन्स द फ्रेग्रेंस. Who is spreading? Phailata means spreading. So who is spreading the fragrance? Yes, it is the flowers. कली सुगंध फैलाता है. कली सुगंध फैलाता है. So कली is nothing but the flowers or the bud which is providing or which is spreading the fragrance. Next, किसके आने पर अंधकार छिप जाता है? सो किसके आने पर अंधकार छिप जाता है? सो when someone comes, the अंधकार mean darkness. The darkness goes away. So when does the darkness goes away? When the sun comes out. Yes or no, children? सूरज आने पर अंधकार छिप जाता है. सो आई रिपीट, सूरज आने पर अंधकार छिप जाता है. सो व्हेन द सूरज और द सन कम्स आउट, द डार्कनेस गोज अवे. छिप जाता मीन्स हाइडिंग. अंडरस्टैंड? अंधकार मीन्स डार्कनेस. नाउ this is poem comprehension, children. Poem comprehension you would have seen in English also. So this comprehension is from the lesson number 10. So let's read the poem. पर्वत जैसे शीश उठाता, अठिंग कड़ा संदेश सुनाता, शीश उठाकर बढ़े चलो, नन्हे नन्हे कदम बढ़ाकर, बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो. Children, I am not having space, so I didn't leave a line. So when you people write, please leave the line and write the comprehension passage. Okay, the poem can be written leaving one line, how we used to write. Don't scribble in your notebook, children. Write neatly. Next, निम्नलिखित काव्यांश. काव्यांश is nothing but the poem comprehension or the lines of the poem में पूछे गए mean the asked. What is been asked? प्रश्नों के उत्तर. प्रश्नों के उत्तर means the question which is asked from the poem lines, that answer we have to write. So this is the heading for the comprehension. Okay, the first question which is been asked here, पर्वत क्या उठाता है? So पर्वत क्या उठाता है? You can see here, पर्वत जैसे शीश उठाता. So what the पर्वत is taking or lifting? उठाता means lifting. So पर्वत शीश उठाता है. शीश means what it is? The forehead. Okay. पर्वत जैसे शीश उठाता. So no need of writing जैसे, you can write just पर्वत शीश उठाता है. Next, कविता में किसे बढ़ाकर चलने के लिए कहा है? So in the poem lines, what is being asked or किसे बढ़ाकर चलने के लिए कहा है? Which is being asked to move front. Okay, so what is being used to move front? Yes, see, you can see in the fourth line, नन्हे नन्हे कदम बढ़ाकर. नन्हे नन्हे means you all know small. Kadam means the feet. Okay, small feet. Okay, so using the small feet we have to move forward. That is been mentioned in the story or the poem. कविता में नन्हे नन्हे कदम बढ़ाकर चलने के लिए कहा है. So what is been used here? नन्हे नन्हे कदम, the small feet. Okay. Next, समान तुक वाले शब्द लिखिए. समान तुक वाले शब्द means nothing but rhyming words. Okay, so you can write down here itself, it is rhyming words. Okay, so what are the rhyming words in this poem? You can see in these lines: शीश, संदेश, उठाता, सुनाता. You all know rhyming words means nothing but the words ending with the similar sound. Okay, so you can see the sh sound here, and here it is ta sound. Yes or no, children? So I have written the same answer here. शीश, संदेश, उठाता, सुनाता. Understood, children? If you have any doubt, you can call me and clear your doubts. Thank you, children.